Hey y'all, I'm back at it again with another quick meal prep for Bay. So let's get started. Alright, so this is my shrimp right here. I'm gonna make some plum glazed shrimp and some potatoes. To my shrimp, I'm gonna add some black pepper. I'm also gonna add some salt. And I'm also going to season this up with my private selections bold spice. I'll list everything below, so make sure you check that out. Hopefully I'm speaking up enough for you guys, because the last video when I did this voiceover, someone said they couldn't hear me, but I'm speaking up as much as I can. Yeah, so you want to season this up really well because the plum sauce is kind of sweet, so you don't want, it to overpower your shrimp. So this is why I'm heavily seasoning the shrimp, but not too much. And I got this from the Hong Kong supermarket. It's really good. Alright, so to my heirloom potatoes, I'm going to add my chicken broth, as you can see right here. Basically, we're just going to steam it for a bit and then saute it up really well with some coconut oil, some peppers, cilantro, and spices. You could pretty much use any spice that you prefer down in here. Use what you want back there. As you can see, my peppers and my cilantro are ready to go. Alright, so my broth has evaporated. Now I'm going to add my coconut oil down in there. You want to lube your potatoes up really, really well. No pun intended. Anyway, saute that up really well. And then, yeah, get it. And this is also going to help it get even more tender because it's not cooked all the way once it's steamed with that little bit of broth. So I'm going to add salt, pepper, saute it down really well, mix, and then you're also going to add your peppers and your cilantro. I also added some gochujang powder. I will list that below. I found it in the Kroger supermarket and it's really, really good. It doesn't have sodium in it, so this is why I added a little salt to potatoes. Potatoes eat up a lot of salt. So yeah, so in this skillet right here, I'm gonna add my shrimp and I'm gonna cook this down for 1 minute. Then you're gonna start mixing it so you can get a little bit of color all over the shrimp, and then I'm going to add my plum sauce down in here. It depends on you how much plum sauce you want. I basically just put enough to glaze all the shrimp really well. I didn't do it to have gravy, if you know what I'm saying, swimming in sauce. So you want to mix this up well, and I'm going to cook it 1 more minute, and that's pretty much it. Shrimp cooks up really fast, so you don't want hard shrimp. Don't cook it forever. Alright, now it's time to plate it up in this bowl here. I'm going to add the potatoes on the bottom. Kind of annoyed because I couldn't find his other containers this morning, but this worked too. Then I topped it off with a little bit more cilantro on the potatoes. And then I added the shrimp on top. What happens is when he heats this up at work, it'll, and the cilantro get heated, it will accent the dish and add more flavor, even more flavor to the dish once he heats it up in the microwave. So I added some more fresh herbs down in there. This looks so good. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. It's not much, but it's enough. Also, to his lunch bag, I add a bottle of water, a custom drink, and an apple. That's how I send him off. He's so spoiled. I do this actually every single morning, but not with cooked food. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Drink on both sides, food on the inside. This is crazy. But anyway, I really love this lunch bag, by the way. I think he got it from Amazon. It's cute. It's really, really cute. But that's it for my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as well as watching me make Bay's lunch. And I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.